Now, I want you to imagine what it would be like to be able to make up to $400 per day by simply typing names online. I mean, how cool is that? So here is exactly how it operates. So you type one word or name like David and you immediately make money. And you type another name like Jennifer and you immediately make more money. This is such a fantastic opportunity, and this is exactly how much you could make. You can make money by typing one page of names for $15, 5 pages of $75, and 20 pages a day for $300. And you know the best part is that this opportunity is completely free and available to anyone in the world. You can type as much as you want and make as much money as you want while doing it on your computer or mobile device. So I want you to tune in and I'll teach you how. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $400 just by typing. But hey, before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So first of all, I just want you to visit this website, talentdesire.com. So talentdesire.com is an online outsourcing platform that connects employers and businesses with a global freelance network. So any associated client can post a project, whether it is a short or long-term job, and choose from a pool of self-motivated freelancers who offer their services at a competitive rate. It's a win-win situation for both parties for me. You can earn money online from home without investing a dime, and this opportunity is completely free. No investment required and no money is required to get started. As you can see, they provide various opportunities to work from home, such as online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, online page surveys, and so on. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on online typing jobs, okay? Because this is one of the simplest things that you can do on this website and requires no experience or tech skills at all. So if you want to earn some extra money while working from home on your computer and schedule, an online typing job is ideal. There are jobs available for all levels of typing ability, from beginner to expert home-based typist. So you can search for an online typing job that interests you and then click the red button to learn more about it, okay? So you can actually earn anywhere from $500 to $27,000 per year, making this a very good earning opportunity for people from any country in the world. In terms of joining fees, you can see that registration is completely free, okay? There are no hidden fees before or after joining, and they do not ask for any investments. This is a completely free and global opportunity for you at any stage. Depending on your skill level, you will be paid in a variety of ways ranging from beginners to experts. To register to their website, you can just visit the application form section. You can download it and write down all of the necessary information on paper. It will be more useful to you when filling out the application form. So read all of the instructions carefully. Incomplete application forms may be rejected and not considered for selection. So you gotta be careful. Once you've filled out the information, you can just submit your online application form by clicking the submit button, or send them the downloaded application form via email. After you have submitted your application, there are actually a few more steps you must complete before beginning your dream job from home. Okay, so first you have to finish your demo project. So it is an online tutorial created by the Talent Desire team to help you better understand the related work. So you will get in touch with them and learn the fundamentals of applied post as well as tips and tricks to help you succeed in no time. Then within 1 to 2 business days of submitting your application and demo project, it will be made available to your job department of interest. After that, the reviewing team will contact you to schedule an online interview and your status will be changed to pending interview. If your interview goes well, surely it will go well, you will be able to begin your dream job journey immediately or as soon as you are available. But there is a way for you to earn a higher rate. Yes, a higher rate in this type of work. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can be paid on an expert level. Hey, you still there? Great. I just want to ask you if you can guess the secret to earn a higher payout using this website. You know what? Let me know your guesses, or do you actually know the answer? You know what? Let me know about it on the comment section below. So now, all you have to do is visit Ratatype.com. Ratatype is a simple and convenient online typing tutor for anyone who wants to improve their typing skills, okay? So you can also take a free typing test here. So I want you to first simply fill out the registration form. That's what we all do at first. Then click the Start Typing button and pass the test to achieve certification. Then, from the drop-down menu, right-click on the certificate and select Save Image As. This website prototype actually provides you with a free certificate. Isn't that great? Which you require in order to increase your income and earning rates per page. So upon registering, type Professional Data Entry Specialist in the job title section on your professional information, and then what time works best for you. So you can choose whatever time you want. But it is best to choose all day, which will provide you with more opportunities and jobs. So this allows you to earn money online. More money, actually. So you can choose between PayPal, Payoneer, and wire transfer direct deposit to receive your earnings. So when you begin typing on this website, it will begin calculating how many words you can type per minute as well as your accuracy. Words per minute, or WPM, is the most common way to measure typing speed. The word has 5 characters on average. So Ratatype divides the number of words typed in a minute with no typos by 5 to calculate WPM. So for example, if you type 100 words per minute, including spaces, your typing speed is around 20 WPM. Now, accuracy means whether or not you type any spelling or typing errors. So the accuracy value indicates the percentage of incorrect words in a given text, so wrong spelling or just the wrong word. Accuracy is calculated by dividing the number of correct actual words typed by the number of actual words typed multiplied by 100 to provide a percentage. So the accuracy should be between 98 and up to 99.99, and the more accurate you are, the more money you can make. You can take the test as many times as you want, and each time your speed and accuracy will likely improve. So why not give it a shot right now? You may be surprised at how quickly you can type. You should make sure to get the certificate, because even if you are completely new, if you have the certificate to prove to them that you can actually type, then you can get accepted much more quickly. You can get more high-paying ties and unlimited job opportunities. And with that being said, you will be able to earn up to $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing. So, you know what? What are you waiting for? Start applying for a typing certificate and earn up to $300 to $400 per page. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!